It is late at night. I have been watching TV for a long time. I am not tired, but I am very hungry. The house is quiet. My wife is already in bed. Sandy is asleep on her blanket near the door. I get up slowly and walk to the kitchen. I try not to make any noise. I turn on one small light under the cabinet. It is just enough to see. I check the fridge first. I don't see anything I want. I open the freezer next. There is a bag of edamame at the back. Edamame are small green soybeans. They are a popular snack in Japan. I put the bag in the microwave. The bag says 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is not very long, but when the microwave finishes, it beeps loudly. That beep will wake everyone up. So I decided to watch the timer. I will press stop before the beep. I stand in front of the microwave. The kitchen is dark and very still. Only the small cabinet light is on. The timer counts down slowly. 2 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds. I watch carefully. I don't move. I don't look away. 10 seconds, 5, then just 1. I press the stop button. No beep. The kitchen stays quiet. I smile a little. I take the edamame to the living room. They are warm and a little salty. I sit back down. Just me, my TV show, and the edamame. It is a perfect midnight snack. After a while, I finish the bowl. I pick it up and walk back to the kitchen. I don't turn on the lights this time. I know the way. I walk slowly through the dark kitchen, and then I bump into a chair. The chair scrapes across the floor. The sound is sudden and loud. My wife wakes up. Sandy wakes up too. I say sorry right away. I feel a little embarrassed. I wash the bowl quickly and put it away. Then I go to bed. The house is quiet again. Next time, I will turn on the light.